Welcome to episode 6 of Duo Doers. In this episode, we are going to be doing some DIY exterior insect control. This is a way to save yourself some money by doing your insect control yourself. And we're going to be using Ortho Home Defense Insect Killer. This can be used indoor and outdoor, of course. We're also using a 2-gallon sprayer, some safety goggles, and a mask. Now, this Ortho Home Defense is 12 months, but in reality, it's more like a month or two, and that's why we do spray this every month or month and a half. I have something set on my phone to remind me every month or so to spray. And what I do is I buy the 1 gallon, 1.3 gallon refillables for about $10 or so, and I like to do that and put it into my 2-gallon sprayer where I can use my sprayer for other things. You can get sprayers for like $14, $15, rather than buying the $15, $16 Home Defense with the sprayer with it. I find this more economical. We're making sure to spray a wide pattern, about a foot or so. We really want to give some room for the insects to walk in to get stuck to themselves so they can, die. And I have seen it work. I have sprayed my house multiple times, and sometimes I'll come outside and I'll see a dead pincher, or those pincher insects, or dead spiders. I've literally seen them walk up the wall and then fall off and die. So I have seen firsthand experience of this method working. You just want to make sure you spray often, about once a month or so. And those places that have high traffic areas or have area for the insects to come in, so like doors, windows, you want to spray a decent amount, and you'll see me spraying a decent amount. But most of the time I spray the entire perimeter. That makes sure that anywhere they walk in towards my house, they'll get some track of that insect killer on them. I also like to spray in the soffits and places that spiders might like to hide up in the little wood eaves. And I'm also making sure that I'm going to pull out my garbage cans. I'm going to spray on my garbage cans. Anything that I've seen spider webs in the past, I've seen them around garbage can handles, I like to spray. So here I'm making sure to spray on my garbage can handles, and not only that, but pulling them away so I can spray the wall behind the garbage cans. I'm not going to move my entire thing of bricks away, but I want to make sure anything else I can, I'll move away from the wall and spray. In my patio area, I tend to spray a lot more. I spray around the perimeter, I spray around the carpet, and that's because we use the patio a lot, and that's also where I've seen the most insects come from. I've seen some in my garage and my front door, so I make sure to spray those really well too. But my patio is where I've seen the most of them, so I make sure to give a nice thick layer of spray for them to go through. And I just continue with the entire perimeter. It doesn't take that long, and this is only about $10 a month, or $10 every 2 months, depending on how your weather is and how often you like to do it. Around the summertime, make sure to do once a month, because that's when I've seen the more spiders, more insects coming out of the woods. Make sure, again, anything that you think that spiders are going to be around, like the in between, for me, the plywood, I make sure to spray there. Left no wood unturned, I guess. And that's it for episode 6 of Duo Doers. You can follow us on Instagram or Facebook at Duo Doers. We do videos every Wednesday, so make sure to subscribe, and hope to see you next time. Thanks.